Okay, page 478, number 9B. I skipped number 8. Somebody wanted number 8. I'm not doing it. You guys don't need to know that stuff. And yeah, don't worry about it. Skip it. I'll take it off future assignments. Okay, so we're given a triangle. It's not drawn for us, but I drew this. KMN. M is 70 degrees. KN is 14.1 centimeters. MK is 14.5 centimeters. It says solve the triangle, which means we need this, and we need this. The first thing I think that I want to do is solve for this angle. We can't solve for this one because we don't have the opposite side. Here we do. Solve for this angle. Once we have that, we can get this because they have to add up to 180. Once we have that, we'll get this. So this is what I'm going for first. So it's going to be sine of n over n equals sine of m over m. Now we're just going to plug in what we know. So sine of n over 14.5 equals the sine of 70 over 14.1. All right, 14. Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do sine of 70, then divide it by 14.1, then multiply it by 14.5. Then we're going to have sine of n. Then we're going to have to get the angle of n. So sine of n equals, come on calculator, no, sine of 70, okay, sine of 70 equals that, divided by 14.1 equals that, and then I'm multiplying it by 14.5 equals that. So sine of n equals 0.9664. Angle n is going to be the inverse sine of that. So angle n equals inverse sine of that number, which equals 75 degrees. Okay, so n equals 75 degrees. That's one of our answers. It says solve the triangle. That means everything that's unknown. So if that's the case, then angle K equals 180 minus 70, that's 110, minus 75, that's calculator. 110 minus 75 equals 35 degrees. Okay, so that's another one done. Now all we need is side K. Sine of K over little k equals, let's go with m because that's what we had before, sine of m over little m, sine of, the unknown's on the bottom. You know what, I'm going to flip this. Sorry, I'm going to flip this. Little k over sine of k. It's easier when the unknown is on top. When it's on the bottom, it's just more work. So now I'm going to plug in what I know. Little k I don't, but sine of k is sine of 35, so little k over sine of 35 equals m, which is 14.1 over sine of 70, and that's what k is going to equal. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to multiply this, and then I'm going to divide by that. You could divide this first and then multiply, it doesn't matter, whatever happens, that's what k is going to equal. So, sine of 35 equals that, times 14.1 times 14.1 equals that, divided by, I'm going to put this in brackets just to be safe, sine of 70 equals 8.6. K equals 8.6. The units in this case were centimeters. Solving the triangle is all the unknown parts of it. In this case, we didn't have angle N or angle K or side K. Now we do. Hopefully that makes sense.